It's no place like home for the holidays, and no matter how far away you roam, if you pine for the sunshine of a friendly gaze, for the holidays you can be home, sweet home. Second winter, when I didn't go out and dreamed to build my own house, is the entire last year going to Russia and the interest is I don't have enough money to put Russia in. I really hope I'm making them until then, and it was a really rough week in terms of money, and I didn't go to work today because I get absolutely freezing cold and tired and annoying because Russia is completely purchased and I basically need $900.
Have you heard that saying that states that you would live different way if your life would be recorded as a history of your success? Here is me packing to go to Russia to visit my family and just measure how much stuff do I have. So I decided this week I'm gonna live a perfect life. I'm gonna start living my perfect life. Go home and that's what I started doing and I recorded a full day of doing it. And I was really proud of myself. I also went to work the same day. And I want to tell you that this week I also went to gym another 2 times.
And I did some of my stuff to glue and people say I was so person donating a bicycle. Just letting you know that it's Saturday morning. I just went to sleep. On Thursday, Jared told me that it's gonna be a Christmas celebration, early Christmas on Saturday. Yesterday I went with Kaylin and bought all these gifts. I don't know, I need to deliver those globe, and this is a gift for them. I brought them like little notes for everybody. And this is for Carrie, and for girls, and for all the boys, but I need to buy some black licorice for our team.
You go last year, right?
I rolled
Oh, we get to roll 2, you get to roll 1. So.
Yeah, I rolled an 11.
Yeah, great.
No, that's your first roll.
I rolled 2 rolls, 2 dice, 2 rolls.
11,
I
8.
don't even know what I
So what are we doing?
I should roll to see the highest.
highest roll.
I have 11, so
You get to roll twice. Everybody roll twice. You shouldn't have
Oh,
rolled.
that's mine. Like last week.
no, yours does count. Let's try that. Where to be on?
Twice. You get to roll twice.
Yeah, Justin rolled twice.
Roll twice. You got 11?
I am 11, so yeah. 11.
Oh,
Nice.
doubles.
No, we can't make it 4 new rolls now.
Doubles plus. Oh, I
man.
Oh, that's a
People
no.
love.
These are really bouncy dikes.
It was the same way.
Oh, was it?
It's probably the
Ugly countertop.
Yeah, you better watch out. You can't have your good.
You better hurry. Hurry, you got the kids. You better hurry. No!
Got it. I got pretty far.
You can't rip.
Yeah, no ripping.
That's done.
You have to help me. You just stand there.
Hey, Jared. Jared, where's your knife?
Jared, go ahead, Jared. Jared, you gotta be faster. Oh man.
You're not allowed to touch the back of this.
It's the metal.
Oh hi. Oh no. You can get drunk.
First time it didn't took like 4 hours, so everybody was cooking weird.